First things first, set your oven to 450 for starters. There you go. This is a 6-pound prime rib piece. You want the fat side up, the bones below. It forms a natural rack. Nothing but the best. Lawry's seasoned salt. Open that bad boy up and season well. Not too much. You don't want to have a heart attack. Season, season, season. Rub it in. Rub it in. If you want to season bottom part, that's fine too. Rub it in. Good. After seasoning, slice up some softened butter and apply on the sides. This keeps the cut meat portion nice and moist. Do both sides. Make sure you put enough butter to protect the cut ends. Why do we put butter? We put butter so that when it protects the cut ends from drying out, and it melts into the pan and makes your au jus, which is the juices that once the meat is cooked, it joins with that and it becomes yummier. It's best to invest in a really good meat thermometer. Okay, this is one of the better ones by Pampered Chef, with a probe and this cord that does not burn while it's in the oven. Stick it to the thickest side of the roast, away from the bone. Okay, it's going to register the current temperature. What you want to do is keep this in the oven for 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes just to sear the outside. Okay, after 15 minutes, you lower it to 325 degrees. It's time to turn the temperature down to 325. Let's take a peek at that rib. How's she doing? Wow, it's sizzling. Once you bring it down to 325, make sure you're keeping tabs with the temperature. It's at 59 internal right now. You want to wait for that to be 120. Once it's 120, you pull the meat out. Whoopsie! It's supposed to be 125, but that's good. Remove the probe and let's take a look at our roast. Wow, look at that. We're all set. Now, carefully remove the roast. Place it on the counter and let it sit. Remove this probe. Careful. Careful. Set that aside. Get the roast out. And now we need to just let it sit for 15 minutes. If you have aluminum foil, go ahead and wrap it up so it stays moist. Oil and cover your roast. One more. Wait 15 minutes before serving. Okay, and here we go. Done to perfection. Removed at 125. One more slice. Yum. Leftovers can be made to roast beef sandwiches. And there you go, friends. Prime rib the easy way. Enjoy.